everybody, it's Celeste here. Welcome to A Crafter's Story. I have a quick share with you today. I just want to show you how I make my washi tape strips. And I have a few here, another one, so a few underneath here. And I use these in my journals all the time because to buy an entire roll of washi tape sometimes is a bit too much. I use it once or twice and then it kind of sits in my cupboard. So I thought, maybe if I could just do my own strips, I can do whatever I want for as many as I want. So let me show you what I mean by that. So here are some of the strips that I've made, and here's how I'm using them. I've used this black and white little bicycle themed washi tape in the center of this page, just to strengthen the fold. This is a page going in my next journal. And then I have some of my own washi down here that I printed off my own printer. Same for that one up there. So super versatile, and they're really pretty. And so what I've done is I've taken my own art. This is a watercolor eco dye print. Well, this is the original on watercolor paper. I'll put a link for this craft in the description of this video, so you can go back and have a look how I did this if you want to try it. So I took, not this one, it was another one, but it was more of a reddy color one, and I was able to make these washi strips out of just photocopying onto washi paper, photocopying the art print onto washi. This was a digital design that I did, so that one was a little different. I printed right off my computer, got little bicycles on it, and then this one and that one, they were digital designs as well. But if you take a piece of printer paper or a page out of your sketchbook and you just do some kind of design, some coloring or stamping, these are my alcohol markers that you could use, or stamping, or just doodling on a piece of paper, and then you photocopy that onto your washi paper, and then you just cut strips out of it. So this is one that I bought on, oh gosh, I bought this on Temu quite some time back. It's made by Fumsy. It was pretty good. My only complaint with this particular one is it doesn't tell you what's the front and the back. So I had to kind of peel away, I had to sort of peel away the tape in one corner to see where's the sticky part and where's the backing. And you can see there, just as an example, I suppose that's a good way to show you this washi tape. And because in my printer is an HP OfficeJet, and I have to put the part of the paper that's going to be printed face down in the tray, because as it feeds, it rolls around the roller and comes back up, and that's where it gets printed. So just depending on your particular washi that you buy, hopefully yours has something that tells you what the backing is. And you can get these on Temu, and I know I've seen them on Amazon. They're anything from $10 a pack to $30 a pack. And obviously there's probably a quality difference between the cheaper one and the more expensive one. I don't think I paid more than $10 for this pack. And all I do is add a little stick glue to my paper when I'm sticking this down, just to make sure it adheres. Couldn't get that out. But just a quick little, not a tutorial, just kind of a share from me today. Buy yourself some printable washi sticker paper. And one little tip, when I did go in on Amazon and I put in my search term, I just put in washi sticker paper and it just came up with the pre-printed rolls. So you want to put in the word printable washi sticker paper, and then you'll get these sticker packs of blank sheets that you can buy. Give it a try, guys. If you do, please let me know. I would love to know if you were successful, and what you decided to print on your washi paper. And of course, then the other advantage is that you have control over how wide it is, how not how long it is necessarily, but how wide it is. You can cut circles, you can punch out holes, shapes, hearts, squares, whatever your punches you have. They punch quite nicely with regular punches. Sky's the limit. All right, you guys, that was just a quick share from me to you, and I hope it was useful information. If you love this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye.